no face, no case. Bet I hit the first night, first date. Put that thing all on my face. Do what I say, no Instagram.
Alright, so before you get started, you will need to print out whatever pictures you want to have on your wall. I got these from Walmart and they were about $2 for the 8x10s, and the smaller ones were like 20 cents. So print those out. So now you want to take your Mod Podge and put that like all over whatever canvas that you are using. So I'm just going to use a sponge brush, because using a brush with bristles, the Mod Podge can get in between the bristles and it gets all, stuck or whatever. So you want to use a sponge brush to do this. So again, this is gonna act like your glue. So you want to make sure that you get a nice, thick, even coat of the Mod Podge on your canvas. And if the picture that you have is going to overlap or lay over the edges, you want to make sure that you get Mod Podge over those edges too. So you can do one coat and then right as it's kind of drying, you can add another if you see any spots that you have missed or anything. So here we go. Once you have your Mod Podge on your canvas, then you want to take your picture or whatever print that you have and place it on top of there, making sure to pay close attention to the edges of the picture. You want to make sure that those are really glued down or really stuck down. Even though we're going to put a layer of Mod Podge on top of that, you want to make sure that they are stuck down, from the beginning. So press that. So here I'm just going to add whatever pictures that I want. I did notice once I finished that I should have kind of rearranged them a little bit better, but whatever, it's okay. It's all your creativity and there's no right or wrong way to do it. All right. So the stores didn't have any of the glitter Mod Podge left anymore, so I decided to just make my own using the silver and white glitter and the Mod Podge. So I'll add that. And then you just want to mix that up really well together. Get all of the glue and the Mod Podge blended really well. Start with just a little bit of glitter and then mix it. And if you find that you want more shine, then you can add a second coat afterwards. And I'm just telling you because the first time I did this, I added too much glitter and the glitter covered the picture. So add that in, mix that all together. So I had actually started putting the glitter Mod Podge on top of this and then realized that I was not recording. But you want to just put a thin layer over your pictures the first time and then let it set for a minute to see if you want to add more glitter or if you want, to just stop there. If you want to stop there, you can. But you want to make sure that you focus on the edges of your pictures so that way nothing lifts over time. Or if you are putting this in your bathrooms, you want to make sure that you really focus on the glitter because sometimes the steam from your shower can make the pictures lift. So just make sure you focus a lot along the edges of your pictures, okay?
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give